Sing me a song of the blues, carry me way down south, get me with cornbread and ham hock soup.
Shut my mouth, why are you mellow, bellow, sakes alive? How come you hand out that nostalgic jive?
I got those aggravating, syncopating, masticating Nashville blues.
The blues in St. Paul. But if you never had the Nashville blues, you've never been blue at all. That's the place on earth I relish so.
It is down where the iris and the sweet gals grow, on the south side of heaven, Route 36. There's where you can get your kicks. I'm gonna navigate back to Nashville, quick like a bunny, where the folks take it easy and the skies are sunny, where every day you live is a sure enough treat, and the birdies sing on the beat. That's the only way that you can lose those aggravating Nashville blues. Ra-do-da-da-do-da-do-da-do-da, rip